Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Learning Station. I am Mehboob. Today we are going to discuss about some important general knowledge question and answer which will help you to prepare upcoming examinations. Okay, let's start. Today's first question is, who was the first woman president of India? Answer: Pratibha Devi Singh Patel. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer: Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of Indian State? Answer: Mrs. Sucheta Kripalini. Who was the first woman governor of a state in Free India? Answer: Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first Muslim woman ruler of India? Answer: Razia Sultana. Who was the first woman judge in Supreme Court? Answer: Mrs. Mira Sahib Fatima Bibi. Who was the first woman Chief Justice of High Court? Answer: Mrs. Leela Seth, Himachal Pradesh High Court. Who was the first woman judge of India? Answer: Anna Chandi. She became judge in a district court in 1937. Who was the first woman lawyer of India? Answer: Cornelia Sorabji. Who was the first woman Lieutenant General of India? Answer: Punita Arora. Who was the first woman minister in a government of India? Answer: Rajkumari Amrita Kaur. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Answer: Mrs. Annie Besant. Who was the first Indian woman president of United Nations General Assembly? Answer: Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Who was the first female Speaker of India? Answer: Sanno Devi. Who was the first Indian woman Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer: Meera Kumar. Who was the first woman IPS officer of India? Answer: Mrs. Kiran Bedi. Who was the first Indian woman chairman of Union Public Service Commission? Answer: Rose Milan Bethu. Who was the first woman chairperson of Indian Airlines? Answer: Sushma Chawla. Who was the first woman ambassador of India? Answer: Miss C.B. Muthamma. Who was the first woman Air Vice Marshal of India? Answer P. Bandyopadhyaya. Who was the first woman airline pilot of India? Answer Durba Banerjee. Who was the first woman in the Indian Army awarded the coveted Sword of Honor Prize? Answer Diba Ajit Kumar. Who was the first Indian woman to fly fighter aircraft without co-pilot? Answer IAF officer Avani Chaturvedi. Who was the first woman Director General of Police? Answer Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. Who was the first women graduates of India? Answer Kadambini Ganguly and Chandramukhi Basu. Who was the first woman honors graduate in India? Answer Kamini Roy, 1886. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest in India? Answer Bachendri Pal. Who was the first woman in India to climb Mount Everest twice? Answer Santosh Jadhav. Who was the first woman in India to cross English Channel? Answer Arati Shah. Who was the first Indian woman to go to space? Answer Kalpana Chawla. Who was the first Indian woman wrestler to win an Asian gold medal? Answer Navjot Kaur. Who was the first Indian woman badminton player to win an Asian Games medal? Answer Saini Nehwal. Who was the first Indian woman to win a medal at Asian Games? Answer Santi Sundarajan. Who was the first woman to win an Olympic silver medal? Answer PV Sindhu in badminton. Who was the first female to represent India at the Summer Olympics? Answer Nora Poli, 1924 Summer Olympics. Who was the first Indian woman to win a medal in wrestling? Answer Sakshi Malik. Who was the first woman to receive Ashok Chakra? Answer Nirja Banot. Who was the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna Award? Answer Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman to receive Gyanpith Award? Answer Asapurna Devi. Who was the first woman to receive the Nobel Prize? Friends, this question is for you. You have to answer this question in my comment section. I will give this answer in my next video. Thanks for watching this video. If there is any mistakes, please comment, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get next video. If you want to remember this question and answer, you will have to watch this video again and again. Thank you.